Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in the yesterday's newspaper of Monday, July the 5th, 2021, because today it's actually Tuesday, July the 6th, but in today's newspaper there is no additional with extra Sudoku, so I've decided to solve the puzzles. There are 3 puzzles left in the yesterday's additional, and one of them is a 2-star Sudoku, and this will be number 3056. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. For a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about... Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking. 3. Okay. Yeah. 9. Alright. Think. 3. Yeah. 3. Come on. It's taking too long. 9. Yeah. Why it's taking too long? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here are 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 5 there, so no 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be here. 1, 3, 1, 3, 7, 7, 7, 1, 3, 7. Okay. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue. The 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here another 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. All right. 3 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 in the second row should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 and 6, 1 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7 in the middle column. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. All right. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 3, alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1. Alright. Then 1, 2, 8. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright, so we have 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row be 3 in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4 cannot fill this yet, but in this column also the 9 and the 4 are missing. 9 and the 4. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 1. 1 number left in the last row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 5. Yeah, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Right. Is this a 2 stars? No, I'm faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic one with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.